Have you ever faced a frustrating 403 forbidden error while trying to access your uploaded images in Laravel? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and help you get your images displaying correctly. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you think you've done everything right, only to be met with a permission error. This is a common hurdle for many Laravel developers, and it can leave you scratching your head. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user, Vlad, has created an upload form for users to manage their logos. After successfully uploading an image, he encounters a 403 forbidden error when trying to display it. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this 403 error? It often relates to file permissions or the symbolic link setup in Laravel. We'll break down the steps to diagnose and fix this issue. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the 403 forbidden error, the user should first check the permissions of the storage directory. Ensure that the storage directory and its subdirectories have the correct permissions set. Next, the user should verify the symbolic link created by the command. This link connects the public storage to the storage directory. If the link is broken or not created correctly, it can cause access issues. Additionally, the user should check the web server configuration. Sometimes the server may restrict access to certain directories. Ensure that the configuration allows access to the storage directory. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should clear the application cache. Sometimes, cached configurations can lead to unexpected behavior. Running a simple command can help. Fun fact: did you know that the 403 forbidden error is often referred to as the access denied error? It's like being locked out of your own house. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user involves changing the public root path in the Laravel configuration. They discovered that Laravel couldn't access the files because the storage directory was outside the public root. By modifying the file system configuration, they redirected the public path to a folder within the public directory, allowing access to the uploaded files while still using the storage class. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a few steps to resolve the 403 error. First, go to the root of your Laravel project and run the command php artisan storage link. Next, edit the public htaccess file to add options follow symlinks. Finally, change the ownership of the public storage directory by running chown user group public/storage, replacing user and group with the correct names. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution from user KJamesy suggests checking the ownership of your files. If you created the symbolic link with root permissions, it could cause a 403 error. To fix this, run the command to change the ownership of the storage directory. Additionally, ensure that file permissions are set correctly. If files lose read rights, it can lead to a 403 error. You can fix permissions by running these commands from the public directory. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution comes from another user who faced a similar issue. They discovered that creating the storage link with root permissions made the public storage directory inaccessible to users. To resolve this, they suggest checking the permissions in the public folder using the command ls-l. If the group and owner permissions are incorrect, they recommend changing the ownership of the storage directory with the command chown-h storage your group your username. This adjustment allows the directory to be accessible from the browser. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution suggests checking for a symbolic link in your public folder to access the storage directory. First, use the command ls in the public folder to see if the storage link exists. If it doesn't or appears broken, you'll need to create or update it. To fix a broken symbolic link, find where it points to using readlink-v storage. Then you can point the link to the new path with lfss path/storage public storage. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your file permissions and symbolic links after uploading files. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the 403 forbidden error and get your images displaying correctly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.